Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to WorkShop. I'm here with Steve, and we're going to learn how to make PEX connections.
Hi, Dan.
Steve, what do we have here?
Dan, today I brought with me some pre-cut lengths of half-inch PEX pipe, some brass PEX fittings, some plastic PEX fittings, stainless steel cinch clamps, copper crimp rings, and quick connect fittings.
What's so special about these fittings?
Dan, these fittings are designed specifically for use with PEX pipe to make a nice, tight, clean connection.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, Dan. The first one we're going to do is a copper crimp ring. You'll need a couple of things. You'll need PEX pipe, brass or plastic PEX fittings. Either one is fine, it's personal preference. Copper crimp rings, a good quality crimp ring tool, with a nice sharp tubing cutter, and a go, no-go gauge that comes with the tool. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your pipe and make sure that you've got a nice, clean, square cut on the pipe. Next, you want to take your copper crimp ring and slide it over the pipe, and you'll get a nice, tight fit on the pipe. Take your fitting, insert it completely into the pipe to the shoulder of the fitting, and then push the fitting back towards the shoulder to within a quarter of an eighth of an inch of the shoulder. I'm going to ask you to hold that. At this point, you want to take your crimp ring tool, open it completely, and seat it around the copper crimp ring squarely. And you may have to move that crimp ring back just a little bit to get it close to the shoulder. Squeeze it all the way through, open it back up, and your crimp ring connection is complete.
Steve, you mentioned the go, no-go gauge. Can you explain that again?
Sure, Dan. The go, no-go gauge is just a tool to make sure that you've done a correct crimp. You'll look for the half-inch portion of the tool, and there'll be a no-go section and a go section. Now what you want to do on each of your crimps is to check. The no-go side should not go onto the fitting, and the go side should go onto the fitting cleanly. That's how you know whether you made a good connection. If either one of them don't work, you have to cut the connection out and redo it. Okay. We're going to start with our PEX pipe, our brass or plastic fittings. Instead of crimp rings, this time we're going to use stainless steel cinch clamps, our tubing cutter, and our two types of cinch clamp tool. One is a one-handled tool, one is a two-handled ratcheting tool.